Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing my niece Christina's bedroom. This room might look familiar to you. It's what used to be the junk room in my sister's house. We cleared that several months ago and Christina moved in here but never fully got it together. She's got her hands full with a 2-year-old and has been struggling to get this space organized and set up. So one Saturday we spent the entire day decluttering, organizing, and cleaning up her bedroom. If you need some motivation to clean up your own home, make sure to click the subscribe button and I'll walk you through how we tackle this very messy bedroom. First, I want to thank you so much for keeping the comments respectful and kind on this channel. It allows people to open up and share their messes, myself included. There can be a lot of shame involved with not having a clean house, and it really does nothing to motivate you to clean up when you're feeling shame. We got to feel inspired and hopeful, and I hope that this video and this channel does that for you. It removes the shame, normalizes the messiness of life, and motivates you when you need it to reset. The way I like to tackle a room like this is to just start in one corner and slowly make our way around the room. So we started on the floor in that first corner and cleared it. And then we moved on to the dresser and started clearing that. We have our categories set. So categories for today are trash, donate, relocate, store, that's stuff that's going to be stored in the garage, and keep. Oh, and there's one other category, laundry, because there were a lot of clothes in this room that needed to be processed fully, meaning washed, dried, folded, put away. But we also managed to declutter quite a bit. A lot of things that had just been thrown into a bag many moons ago and forgotten about. So that's where it can be really helpful to just do a good clean out of a messy room. You'll find a lot of stuff that you're not using anymore and stuff that you can just say goodbye to. Once we got that first corner cleared, we started going through the clutter bags. And it was a lot of clothes for Chrissy, a lot of clothes for Xander, a lot of clothes that were Julia's. So Christina is mom to 2. She's got my grandniece, Julia, who's 15, and she's got my grandnephew, Xander, who's 2. So being mom to a toddler and a teen whom she has homeschooled for many years and just trying to do all the things that an adult has to do for themselves, plus another little human being, oh my gosh, it's a lot. I can barely take care of myself and Samson. But yeah, having those categories set helps so much because you know what you're gonna do is one item at a time. Pick up one item and make a decision. That is the core of how I declutter like an entire garage, even in a day. It doesn't matter the size of the mess. If you will just pick up one item and make a decision and just keep doing that, it's almost like a muscle that gets built. And eventually you get to this point where you don't even want to move on to the next thing until you've made a decision about the thing in your hand. And it's the most effective way to clean and declutter. One item at a time, make a decision. So that's what we're doing. We're making thousands of decisions this afternoon. And it can be tedious, it can be tiring, but we were on a mission and we wanted to get the entire room done in a day. And we worked from daylight until evening to get this room finished. Speaking of bedrooms, I want to thank Helix, the sponsor of today's video. Helix Sleep offers premium mattresses customized to fit your needs and conveniently shipped to your door. Hands down, the best upgrade I made to my bedroom last year was getting a Helix premium mattress. It's been about 10 months and my sleep has improved 100%. And now I've spread the word to friends and family and a lot of you who have happily made the upgrade to Helix. I absolutely love their mattresses because it's like getting one custom made for your body. With the Helix Sleep Quiz, you get matched to your perfect mattress based on your body type and sleep preferences. One of the things we wanted to do was to get rid of Christina's old mattress, which was sagging and dragging and causing serious back issues. She took the Helix Sleep Quiz, got her perfect match, and her mattress was delivered right to her doorstep. They offer free shipping in the US, and right out of the box, she was amazed.
This is so much better than my previous mattress. It feels so soft and firm.
It's the perfect combo, right?
It really is. I really needed this. This is so nice.
It's been a couple of months now, and I get messages every week about how great the mattress is. My sister Sherry, she already had a Helix mattress. She has the Helix Plus. My niece Chrissy has the Helix Midnight, and I have the Helix Dusk. So they really do have something for every sleep style. I also added their Glacio Tech cooling cover to my mattress, which helps me stay cool and comfortable while I sleep. Helix Sleep has a 100-night sleep trial to make sure you absolutely love your mattress, so there's zero risk. Their mattresses also include a 10-year warranty, and they offer flexible payment plans. I love my Helix mattress, and I think you would too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Helix Sleep. You can click the link below or go to helixsleep.com/Carla Project to get 20% off your Helix mattress plus 2 free pillows. Thanks to Helix for sponsoring today's video.
La gente dice el chamaco le mete, ey. Solo en la cabeza tengo los billetes, tengo piquete, estoy bien. No tengo de 100, pero tengo los míos, hermano. Aquí estamos todo bien, ey. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. Cuando necesitas muleo, sé que te pone coqueta. Porque no busco trabajo, al menos vendiendo paletas. Gozo la vida, trabajo, lo tuyo, no te comprometas. Me gustan independientes, también que tengan sus metas. Hey, todo el mundo busca dinero, también busca la fama. Como Jim Carrey nos dijo, la plata y la fama no hace mañana. Por eso veo mis reglas y trato de tener una vida sana. La envidia no enferma, también nos saca la gana. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. Me gozo la vida, pa' mí es la ley. Con todas las rolas como Purple Rain. Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. El dinero no se rico la gente. Gente rica de dinero y no de mente. Todo el mundo mantiene tan pendiente de lo que hagan otros porque no son suficientes. Dímelo, dímelo, es que no sé si porque no lo conozco. Todos son bicis que tienen dañado todito los focos. Poco de lo que ellos hacen me parece muy loco. Usa la lógica como un vicio, se la come poco a poco. Como José, que la vibra no rellene. Que no desee todo lo que el éxito tiene. Yo no vendía con plata, pero no la de la acera. Tener una esposa que se mueve como Salma, soy Antonio Bandera. Me gozo la vida.
I never like to push when people are decluttering, but with Chrissy, I was trying to be a little bit firm about the amount of clothes that she had and just saying, like, do you really need that? Do you really want that? Do you really use it? Because if not, like, let's just donate it. It's been in a bag. You're not even gonna miss it. It won't even be missed.
Sin nada de flex o jugando games. Me gozo lo mío, gente, estoy insane. Yo soy el mismo de siempre, chamaco del barrio que quiere la gente. Vacilamos en tu mente, gozándonos la vida es más que suficiente.
forget how he did me wrong. Triple crowns packed, but I'm alright. Gonna let myself let go. I didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to handle. Yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of a woman. Didn't fit into his mold, but I don't need his approval, so he can't mind his own. I'm blessed like that, 'cause I feel good in my skin. I don't need a man to tell me I'm the shit. Thank God that it's over, 'cause all I need to be is my kind of a woman. My kind of a woman. Friday night, center of the crowd, I'm forgetting how he did me wrong. I'm shooting jack with my lady.
I know, getting a little too comfortable.
Didn't live up to his standards, but he didn't come close to mine. I was too much for him to
It's nice, right?
yeah, right. I wasn't his kind of a woman. Didn't fit into.
This was definitely a team effort. A room that was this disordered really took all three of us working for several hours and hours and hours. We went into the night. And I think for long-term solution, like in order to maintain this level, she absolutely needs to make a few changes. Number one, she has to have a clothes hamper for herself. She has one small one for Xander, but she needs a large clothes hamper in the corner of the room. The other thing that will really help is a trash can in the room, like a closed lid trash can. And I think to have some hooks on the wall, like a peg row of hooks, is also going to help with just easy hanging of hats, purses, robes, coats, things like that. So hooks, trash can, laundry hamper, and also just like an easy access storage basket without a lid, just something that you can easily toss blankets in, extra pillows, something like that. So I think those kinds of things can make it very easy to maintain a room when you're not a naturally tidy person. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I want to thank Christina for sharing her bedroom, and also thank my sister for sharing her home. And I want to thank my niece for taking her Saturday to help us fold and clean. Like, what teenager does that? So thanks for watching, you guys. Leave us a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.